Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Umkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho is about uVuyokazi. So uVuyokazi bangaphendula some of the questions abantu bambuza wona ku Instagram, but waphendula on a video, YouTube video ku channel yakhe. Guys, please go and watch that video. A very long one but a very interesting one because uVuyokazi ungichazile uphendule each and every question and uyiphendule honestly. So ayikho into edina nje ngokuthi umuntu athi simbuza ama question ku Instagram. When people ask questions makumele umuntu aphendule andelele athi wena ungenaphi lapho wayongibuza lento leyo. You understand? But usukelile wasukubuze musa. So uVuyokazi shem uphendulele and she answered with respect. She answered about one thing ungayini uVuyokazi and you won't take it away from uVuyokazi is the fact that uthi uyahlonipha. Ufundisekile la sisilwe. Baby girl loyo ufundisekile, I don't wanna lie. Fundisekile la muntu loyo. Uyambona indlela aziphatha ngayo, indlela akhuluma ngayo nabantu even on the show. As much as uTirelo bahlala shothi there are things azenzile on season 1 abangazivezanga naye, it's not like ukuthi beka umuntu right, but thina lesibonile it was inhlonipho all the way. Even up until now on the YouTube channel, you'll never hear uVuyokazi abarude. You'll never hear uVuyokazi ahlohlozela abantu ukuthi babullishe. If uVuyokazi was someone else, bekazochaza at the time abantu they were bullishing uSinger noma Mike uTirelo. But uke wakhuza ama-fans wakhe ukuthi no guys, even on the video that she made today ushilo ukuthi umpumelelo yena ufina ngathi uthando lakhe nompumelelo laphela bosokenzeka lingane and yena uhlukene nompumelelo, uphumile kumpumelelo nompumelelo uphumile bekaphendula respectfully. So she didn't disrespect even a single person. I love the fact ukuthi uze washo wathi yena into yenza ukuthi akhulule umpumelelo enhlizweni yakhe ukuthi ukhulule umpumelelo ukuthi ahlale nabantu abathandayo. That means she understand ukuthi umpumelelo bangamthandi. She understand ukuthi kumpumelelo uthando labo beselipheli beba sebahleli for the fact ukuthi banabantwana. So it takes a wise woman ukuthi understand no right uthando liphelile lo muntu akasangithandi ithi ngimkhulule ukuthi naye azojabula nami ngizojabula. And I remember mawuthatha that decision usuke ungangazi ukuthi wena uzojabula na, but usuke ithatha just because uyambona ukuthi lo mntana manje uyamora uhleli naye akakuthandi nawe uyazimora self because uyazikhohlisa uyazi uhleli nomuntu ongakuthandi. I love uVuyokazi for that. So uVuyokazi, some of the questions bewabuziwe that were very interesting is indaba ye co-parenting. I once made a video because I read an article uVuyokazi asho she's a single parent. Uyiphendulile that question athi yes, she is a single parent now because there's no co-parenting. Ingane azikibo kamseleku, ingane azinje ababa bakaziboni, bomkhulu babo nje abomayena abaziboni ingane for now uye ozikhulisayo. And she feels like there are a lot of things ezikhulunyiwe and now into ekhona ebuhlungu ukuthi ipride nje into ekhona abakazi they've never reached out abantu bakamsele to ifamily yakhe. And she feels like abanye ama-answers sizowathola on i-reality show yabantu bakamsele. She didn't mention which one because we have uthando the same and izingane the same. I guess ama-answers mesiwathole kumayeni because babamsele already gave us some answers most kumayeni and umpumelelo which is ubaba wengane. Guys, mina this whole thing yengane ne ngicela ukugcina ngayo ukuthi ngi-address because I feel like ngizoba long. So uVuyokazi also talked about ibody yakhe, the new body. Guys, I love umzimba kaVuyokazi omusha, I do not wanna lie. So she said on the video yena the reason bekagaine a lot of weight or the reason bekanomzimba omkhulu is because she wanted to fit in esithembeni sakaMpumelelo. She knew ukuthi uMpumelelo uthanda abantu abanomzimba and yena the time aqeda ukuthola uMhlophekazi walose weight. So wayenza ngamabomu ukuthi again weight after that because bekabona ngathi sekasalele emuva kuba kabona amanye ama-girlfriend kaMpumelelo. Angithi vele uMpumelelo makathanda nomuntu niyazana kube isithembu uya-introduce to each other. So babona ngathi usalele emuva. She never liked being a big girl like uba nomzimba omkhulu, being fat, but just because of bekathanda uMpumelelo and she really wanted to fit in and to make uMpumelelo happy, so she decided to gain a lot of weight, which was easy for her ukuthi again a lot of weight because even lokho asakhula asesengane bukuyingane vele nomzimba. So vele mawunomzimba and mawungasa-exercise ungasadli healthy yabo good diet kuba lula ukuthi mawudla kakhulu umzimba wakho uphinde ubuye because vele ulomzimba uNkulunkulu bekakuphe wona kakade, understand? So uyasho ukuthi uthe makaphuma kwempumelelo makasakhulula inhliziyo sekahilile wabona ukuthi vele mina lo mzimba ngiwuthanda ngangiwuthanda just because ngangithanda ubaba iy'ngane zami ngangiwuthanda because I wanted to fit in I wanted that guy to love me so wadecide ukuthi ayenza le surgery ayenza umzimba ofunwa wuye and she doesn't regret because lo mzimba anawo manje muhle and lo mzimba anawo manje uyawuthanda and uyawujabulela lo I'm not saying loyana bongekho muhle bomuhle guys but it was something that bangayijabuleli I for one I do not see any problem ngemizimba yethu but I prefer the second one because sithanda singathandi guys umzimba omkhulu awukho healthy I know ukuthi bakhona abantu omzimba omkhulu aba-healthy abanganazifo even nesifo esi-1 but most of the time especially the more ukhula uzova kuthiwa inhliziyo yakho ihleli emafutheni nini uzova kuthiwa you need to lose weight just because une-high blood you understand lezo zinto but there are people abanomzimba omkhulu who are healthy guys I won't advise someone ukuthi abe nomzimba omkhulu especially at the young age because umzimba omkhulu futhi ubuhlungani masokumele uyehle yo uzawuyehla kanzima ugayina lula umzimba masokumele ubuyele emuva uzomorea not unless you can afford ama-surgery lawa ovuyokazi guys so going back to indaba yengane mina indaba yengane guys to be honest I blame abazali bakaMpumelelo uMpumelelo angabe simbona nesithembu atshintsha ama-girlfriend but deep down I feel like uMpumelelo he's still young and akayazi into ayenzayo I feel like abazali bakaMpumelelo as much as umselo kahlala athi he's a family man but une-pride and kakhulu I blame umayeni I'll tell you why if ingane ikhulisile and uyithanda and wena as a grandparent awunayo i-pride there's a time last year umayeni bekahambile it was umayeni usister wakhe engathi ingane zabo sister bakhe ingane zakhe uTirelo nosinga bakho umntana kaTirelo they were on vacation eCape Town the time Cape Town why angabhalanga iletter not even iletter again nayo letha into zakudala ngabe ucela amanamba I think ubaba umsele kunami namba kamama ka Vuyokazi as I should ukuthi on the previous episode of Uthando Nesithembu Uncut ukuthi mama Vuyokazi kuwabitshela ukuthi indlela uMpumelelo noma yena abathiphatha ngayo uVuyokazi akayithandi umayeni umayeni noMpumelelo bahlukumeza uVuyokazi ngabe wacelile amanamba bese wabhala imessage I can understand ukuthi call maybe ngaba into ukuthi maybe uzufila ngathi kuzoba awkward nini wabhela imessage wathi ngicela sibonane njengabomama uhamba waya kibo Vuyokazi wayocela nje ukubona ingane washo wathi wayokhuluma ukuthi angingene indaba kaVuyokazi noMpumelelo uMpumelelo akasamthanda uVuyokazi uMpumelelo mhlambe noVuyokazi akasamthanda uMpumelelo because they've already moved on remember the time sibona that thing uVuyokazi bese ukungene nendaba kaShaqolani so it is evidence ukuthi uVuyokazi vele move on so bomela shuthi mina ngila ezugogo wengane ngizokhuluma nawe ezugogo wengane ukuthi sikhulume nge-way forward about ingane so if kibo Vuyokazi because uVuyokazi kibo ngathi kwathiwa kuhlawulwe umhlophekazi akuhlawulwa nguNzulu abuza ukuthi sephambili ningadingani amdoseki ingane masihlale nami ingane masichubeke zihlale la ekhaya but ngicela ukuthi nami ingane mhlawumbe ikole mayivaliwe ngizibone ngicela ukuthi nami manginako kancane and kibo Mpumelelo kibo Vuyokazi they must also remember ukuthi ingane asiza kamayeni so umayeni makanako kancane athumele yabona ukuthi ingane ikhule ngoba lo mntana akhe vele ihlongandlebe lo mntana akhe ihlongandlebe and aforce ayifake into engcondweni naMpumelelo ukuthi ingane zakhe njengoba zikhule zingane baba zizokhula zimkhohlwe njoba ingane zakhe zikhula nje yena angekho uMpumelelo empilweni yazo it doesn't mean ukuthi iminyaka ihamba it doesn't mean mhlopha azohlala na 3 or na 4 uzokhula and unfortunately for both of them umayeni nomntana wakhe uVuyokazi God has been blessing uVuyokazi lengane uyazi afford azimhluli you get so I feel like umayeni uye bokumele alwe lento banomusa so I don't know esayidini la kamayeni but nginako lokho ukuthi umusa mhlawumbe kuyazama angikaze ngayizwa indaba kaMusa and remember umusa was sick and if umayeni bafuna ukuyilwa lento bangayilwa I'm telling you guys bangayilwa fast mangabe kibo Vuyokazi lapha abamamukeli or abavuma ukuhlangana naye ikhona option to go to court bangaye court icourt abayingeni indaba ukuthi umntana wahlawula umntana wangahlawula into ebalekile ubaba une right ukuthi abe empilweni umntana yakhe bangaye court acele nje ukuthi at least per umntwana eza zobavakashela ikole mayivalwa umntana eza even if it's twice a year December and June kutshintshiswane ngomntwana you understand since umntana hlala noVuyokazi umntana eza zobabona then she'll pay mhlambe yena uzozazomlanda uzobhadala ama-flights, pay for everything, azilandele ingane yakhe, makabuyisa ingane uzithengele impahla. Finish. Because le bayiphethe manje bayise ndawo guys. Yabo indaba yokuthi uzothi ya makabone wenza njani ingane mayikhulu izobuya kimi. Ayisayenzeki leyo. Kwalaba bebayenza kudala bebakhohlisana bangatshelani iqiniso. Ayisayenzeki leyo ukuthi ingane bayikhulu izokhula ikuzonda. Ingane bayikhulu izokhula ikuzonda. And manje ku-worse ke ngoba yonke into nina impilweni i-on reality siyibona yonke kule TV show there ku-social media. Ayikho into ozoyitshelwa umhlophekazi basamdala angeke aze ayibone. Because manje you can search into ezeko-2001 izovela ku-internet. So umhlophekazi ubaba yakhe ayisikho, angeke futhi abe nesikhathi sokuthi alo explain ukuthi ubaba wakho wathi ubani wathi, uzoyibona bosi. Uzoyibona ngathi adlala e-TV. Uzoyibona ukuthi okay ugogo wamayethi ubaba wayebhalile ku-Instagram ukuthi umama wami uzangi-explainela ukuthi kwenzekeleni. Ubaba wami used to spend time with ubrother wami uSinga but angangikhumbuli. Ubaba wami has never called me. Ubaba wami has never forced umama wami ukuthi abe empilweni yami. So kuyo yonke lento le, as much as mhlambe bona bangacabanga ukuthi bahlukumeza uVuyokazi or bangazitshela ukuthi angeke bancenga abantu bakibo uVuyokazi, but kuyo yonke lento le abantu aba-affectayo abantwana babo, which is uNzulu nomhlophekazi, more especially umhlophekazi because umhlophekazi akabhonde nabo. Cabanga even on the video uVuyokazi uyasho ukuthi uNkulunkulu ngathi angamgcina abone umhlophekazi sekaya ku-matric dance, uNzulu sekaya entabeni. Ayibashayi lento le ukuthi thina isiko lethu la ekhaya siyentabeni. uNzulu uzokhula entabeni just because asimenzelanga iqiniso. Ayibashayi lento le, but they are managed. You know what, this time ngiyamshayela mina uMakhumalo izandla and ngizoshaya ngimshayela uMakhumalo izandla. I'll tell you why ngithi ngiyamshayela. uMakhumalo wayilwa impilo. If you remember uMpilo wayehleli noMakhumalo asebenzisa isibongo sakibo mamakhe. I remember there was this episode where ayobuza uMakhumalo ukuthi bafuna abali bashimale eningi boMpilo, bashimale eningi esindayo. And there was a time umsele kwayethena akahlangana nama-ex wife, but just because uMakhumalo wayeyilwa impilo kaMpilo, wayeyilwa into ukuthi uMpilo abe wakamsele and wayelwa ukuthi umntana yenzele iqiniso. Wagcina umsele kavumile ukuthi ahlangane nomama kaMpilo, bavumelane ukuthi ingane ilotsholwa kanjani, ihlawulwa kanjani, then ingane wela kaMsele kanjani, and they gave them whatever they wanted. So if na emayeni bekafuna ukuyilwa njengoba yelo indaba yokuthi ufuna umuzi wakhe bekazoyilwa, njengoba ahlala vela on the reality TV show athi ya awukangilungisela umuzi wami, awungenzela iqiniso. Yabo lamagama ngabe umtshela ukuthi asambe solwela boNzulu babuye bazohlala la. Hayi ngabe ulwinto engcono. Cabanga umntana a-birthday ayenzeni, umntana oke wahlala naye uthule. Yabantu ba-strong. Hayi bomayeni ba-strong, I do not wanna lie. But bazalwane bethu, please do comment down below your thoughts and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit that notification button. Nginethanda ukuya nokubuya.